So you want to launch a business in 2025, but you are not sure which one to look into further. I have 10 business ideas for you today that are sure to succeed. As we examine these concepts, pull out your notebook. Welcome to this channel. Then the corporate environment is changing as 2025 dawns. With new technologically driven opportunities, innovations that are altering global trends and consumer preferences. This is a way for you to become a financially independent and take advantage of the chance to launch your own company. Thus, these 10 company concepts have the potential to succeed in 2025. Internet retailer for a product nowadays, a lot of people feel better at ease making purchases online. So, starting an e-commerce platform focusing on a specific niche such as skincare, home and eco-friendly products will attract consumers seeking this type of product. And if you have an advantage, knowledge and skills in this area, it will be beneficial for you to just find the niche and provide those type of product to your customers. Digital marketing agencies, with the continuous rise of online businesses, there's an increased need for digital marketing service to help companies establish and grow their online presence. If you have experience in this field, it will be best for you to explore this idea as it will bring more success in 2025. Education and tutoring services. With the growing number of online businesses launching an e-commerce platform with a specific niche like skincare, home and goods and eco-friendly products will draw customers looking for that kind of product. If you have an advantage in knowledge and skills in this field, it will be advantageous for you to simply identify the niche and offer those kinds of products to your clients. If you have experience in this area, it would be better for you to investigate this concept as it will lead to greater success in 2025. Digital marketing services are becoming more and more necessary to assist businesses and creating and expanding their online presence. Services for instruction and tutoring. Launching an educational company or tutoring service that emphasize both academic success and spiritual development, so offering your future consumers something valuable and long lasting here. Since people are more willing to pay for services that they can obtain online, starting an online tutoring or education business in 2025 could be a great idea if you have the necessary skills or educational background. Web design is also essential for businesses to have an online presence, such as the increasing demand for independent web designers and developers to build and manage numerous companies' websites, which is expected to grow in 2025 as more and more businesses believe that they must create an online presence and website. Therefore, if you are skilled in web design or development, this is an excellent opportunity for you to launch your own eco-friendly freelance businesses. Answers: environmental concerns, consumer demand, and regulatory pressures are driving the growing need for eco-friendly product solutions. Generally speaking, eco-friendly products minimize harmful chemicals, improve user health, and limit explore to uh, pollutants while emphasize sustainability. Companies are searching for environmentally sustainable product options solution, but when people's demands are high, they avoid by avoiding using a lot of chemicals in their products. You may create an eco-friendly product that is free of these poisons and chemicals, increasing you may create an eco-friendly product that is free of these poisons and chemicals, increasing the likelihood that your business will succeed because consumers will be prepared to pay for the item that exclude all these poisons. Fashion and retail. If you are very creative, you can make a clothing and accessory line that uses eco-friendly materials, and it is modest for people who want to dress modesty for people who are influenced by a variety of cultural norms. For some people, this is because of their religious conviction, while for others, it is just for their own comfort. Comfort is the place where people simply decide to start wearing more clothing, and it's also for personal use. So if this is your thing, you can open your own fashion and retail store that focus on those kinds of clothes. Health and wellness coaching is also becoming more and more important in today's world as people seek individualized coaching for fitness, nutrition, and mental well being. This presents opportunities for certified professionals to take advantage of this. And if you are passionate about health and wellness, this could be your chance to grab hold of the opportunity and launch your own business. All power drop shipping uses all to maximize product performances, selection, pricing, and inventory management in drop shipping businesses, and improving efficiency or profitability. So this will remove the long working hours for drop shipping. All is tool that you can use to your advantage. It saves you a lot of time and effort, and just energy saves you a lot of money and energy. If you can start a business that is powered by all, you are set up for a non-profit organization. There will be a chance to start your own home-based food business. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. If you have any more ideas, please share them with us in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I hope you took a few business ideas to consider. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, or you can join us. Please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you were able to investigate one or two business ideas today. Please remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, or you can join us when we'll discuss another concept or subject next week. Until then, press to God alone. Thank you.